You're also rebuilding a transmission, I see.
Engine, transmission, we do it all. Some of you may not know, before I started building engines, all I would build was transmissions. This is a fucking trip down memory lane right here. 2 balls, yeah, I don't know where it went.
Oh,
So there's 2 balls that are in here. They're gonna fall into the transmission case because I couldn't slip the magnet in and grab them. I'm gonna break the RTV first.
that's mine. I should probably move that. Wait, this is yours, no? Whose beer is whose? That's mine.
I don't know.
The best snap ring pliers for this are gonna cost you a very, very sexy, and these nice ones. So just go in here, release that snap ring. Yo, shouts to Jay Deuce. He does this shit all the time in his fucking driveway with K-Series trains. So Jay Deuce, I see you. Okay, the snap ring is out. You can see that there. If you look, the snap ring's been released from the main shaft bearing. Now I'm just gonna go up. Oh, whoa! Holy shit! And watch for the balls. They might fall down, but I'm gonna try to tilt it this way to kind of keep them encased. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so
There they go. There's one.
yeah, one fell there. I got a few in stock.
There goes the other
There's
one.
the last one. So, first off, pulling the tranny apart, you see this magnet. For a manual transmission, this is a low amount of schmung.
Show it in the light.
This is not a lot of schmung. This is normal gear wear. How many K did this tranny have? You don't know.
Probably over 200k km, so over 120k miles.
So fucking mint. Like, that's fine. We're gonna clean this up. We're gonna put it back in. We're never gonna worry about it again. But all the teeth of the gears, they all look good. They seem to be okay. I'm not gonna take the gear train out of it tonight because we've got the engine apart and we don't need maximum parts all over the shop. Even though we're putting new synchros in, I want to make sure that the face on the hub where the synchro mounts to is actually all right. So I'm going to show you here. This is out of CDO1. So basically you have your synchro, it sits against this face, and when you have a wiped out CDO1 synchro, you see how there's little to no gap in between here? This is a bad 5th gear out of a CDO1. You see that wear? That's not happy. But so we can already tell right here that you see where this bulk ring is sitting. It's sitting low, so you can tell here it's not bottoming out. Even if I get in there and I pry it down and I try to get it to get closer, that synchro is good. You see this gap here, right? That looks like a 1 millimeter gap. You're well within spec. So what that tells me is that the hub on this gear, where the synchro binds to, is good. Which is great for when you put the new synchros on, so you know they're awesome. Took all the shafts out, left this one because it's got free play, so it will just sort of come out with the shafts. Everything's loose. I'm just gonna start tapping. That's good. Ta-da! Now we're just pulling the gears off the shaft so that we can verify that this transmission is what it says it is, so that we can see if it has first and second triple cone synchros. So when we order the synchros, we have the correct parts.
Line her up. Oh, they look so sick. Fucking awesome. Slide her in. Oof. Just fits. What are we looking at here? Oh, because you always got to reference factory service manual in case. Alright Cam, what are we doing here? We're doing a double fuck. Bearing on the bottom, bearing on the top. Set it up.
It ain't gonna work. Okay, we gotta do one at a time. It's worth a shot.
Fair enough. Final drive is good.
For HLSD.
How's she staying?
Brand new bearings.
Oh, that fuck, wow. I don't even have to touch it. I can see it.
Yeah.
I can see the feel.
We're good to go.
Nice. So the other shaft is in here for placement. This is just replacement, or is it done?
No, it's for replacement. I need to remove it to install it. But just put it in there to make sure that the shim height was proper and that the diff bearing was riding on it nice. Clear pattern in the diff. Right now we're using this fucking wish.com puller that I overnighted from Amazon because this fucking bearing on the back of this gear they slammed a snap ring in between there, and like it's not that fun to get it off. And all my pullers that I have, like these kind of fucking pullers, or this kind of puller, I got a couple more. The 3-jaw pullers, like I can't get behind it. So this thing showed up yesterday, and I mean, I even had to modify it to make it work. I asked for the 4-inch option because this is a 3-inch bearing, and the bolts are too fucking small. I had to hit it on the bench grinder. I don't know, man. Fucking shit from China.
Well, it's in there.
Yeah, let's see how long it stays in there, if it even does.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to hit it with the impact gun because I don't want to shoot it all over the place. Well, let's see. Let's see if she does this. Damn. Oh, fuck. Well, it's doing something.
It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving. I'm gonna hit it with the impact gun now.
Sounds good.
Okay, with the impact gun. I swear to fuck, if one of these tanks comes out, I'm pissed. That's what these bolts are for, but they don't fucking work. Oh, she's tipping. Fuck!
Motherfucker.
Okay, I gotta do some modifications here.
We'll be right back.
Fuck!
Well, we're back with the reinvention here.
Okay, this is really hot, so I'm having trouble grabbing it. But I basically just welded some broken shit on the end to extendo, cuz. And I think I'm just gonna. It's really hot, and I did like the fucking shitty Miller Magic here. Woo! Very nice. Okay, so like 20 bucks on Amazon and a little bit of welding, and it will work. Oh, and grind those down. You see, there was like welds there.
Hold on.
Still fucking steaming hot. Look at this.
You nasty bitch.
Fucking sizzling.
And the snap ring's right behind it.
Yeah, so that was the whole reason for this debacle here. There's a fucking snap ring that holds his gear in place, and the snap ring is there. Now let me acquire some snap ring pliers. There is your Synchro, and then this is the hub that the Synchro and all the springs and everything sits in. So actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this, and watch out because there's springs and there's 3 little keepers in there. And if you lose the keepers, you're fucked till Friday. And buddy, it's Saturday, so it's another fucking 6 days. This is what the new ones look like. Come nice from Synchrotech. Vacuum packed. Shout out to Darren for selling us these.
Nisformance.
Yeah, check it out. That's a fucking long boy.
There she goes.
Third gear, triple cone.